Okay, in this video we are going to talk about the 3 biggest mistakes people make when making fermented food and beverages. Okay, this is a little bit of a bumpy ride. I'm on my way to go and fetch my daughter at school, so I'm making this video quickly for you to enjoy. Mistake number 1, temperature. Always keep your temperature constant. Different ferments need different temperatures. For the best ferment, make sure that it ferments at a constant temperature depending on what you are fermenting. One thing to remember: high temperatures, quicker fermentation; lower temperatures, slower fermentation. When it comes to lacto-fermented vegetables, you want to ferment it rather at the lower or slower pace, because then it gives each and every stage a good chance to develop the much necessary nutrients and flavor that's so excellent with fermented food. And then time. Allow your ferment enough time to ferment, but never over ferment it. As soon as you're over fermenting your ferment, then it's going to taste quite sour. And this is specifically for the newbies out there. If you are new to fermentation, don't over ferment your ferment, especially the milk kefir. As soon as it separates, it's over fermented. You can save it. There's ways to save it. If you know of ways to save it, please keep comments below, and if you don't, let me know, and then we can have a post about that. And then thirdly, ratios. People get the ratios wrong. Too much salt in the lacto-fermented vegetables or too little salt can also have a terrible effect. Okay, we're making kombucha using too much sugar. It can have a negative effect, causing a bacteria and yeast imbalance, so that can influence the fizziness of your brew. It can also influence the general taste of it, premature souring perhaps. There's a lot of things that it can cause. And then also ratios with your milk kefir, the right amount of milk, the right amount of sugar with your water kefir as well. Using too much sugar will result in a very sweet ferment at the end of the day, and then it will be less probiotic in nature. So that's the 3 things that you should control and try and check out. That's the 3 biggest mistakes that I see people make when fermenting foods and beverages. They don't take time in consideration. They don't look at the temperature necessarily, and the ratios is also sometimes a little bit of a bull's-eye. If you fail at any one of those 3 things, your ferments will not be as stunning as it should be. Then there's actually a 4th thing that I can bring to mind, and that is disturbance. Disturbing the ferment. That can also cause negative side effects. When lifting your jar too much when fermenting lacto-fermented vegetables, you are exposing your ferment to different types of yeast and bacteria, and that might, if you're not careful, cause mold, or it may cause a number of different things. Also with your kombucha ferment, you don't want to disturb it prematurely, because that may cause the SCOBY that have formed to collapse, and then your brew must make a new SCOBY on top. And when it comes to disturbance with the kefirs, the more you disturb it, the better, because aggravating your brew by shaking the bottle or shaking the jar, it actually contributes to kefir grain growth. So you have to know when to disturb and when not to disturb. So that's from me for today. I'm almost at school. Enjoy. Bye bye.